see Charlie McNeil, he left that one. It's a decent hit, it's off the post from Ethan. Chance to take the lead. This one's been taken short, McNeil. Still United have it, and they're going to have a wonderful chance to take the lead. Has that crossed the line? Yes, it has. Rhys Bennett with a rocket. And Manchester United fully deserved this lead. What a special finish that was.
Well, usually shots can hit the crossbar once, but this one hits it twice, really. The usual source, really. Bennett catches that ever so well. Control, hits it. Storer trying his best to keep it out. See what the players think of that. Go congratulate Bennett. Why not?
As you say, you don't see that much. It almost hits the bar for a third time. It's clearly across the line. And well, he might celebrate. Might look back on this opening 32 minutes. Storer's made 4 or 5 very good saves. Garnacho. Hansen Aaron again. He can't save that one. Manchester United double their lead. And Isaac Hansen Aaron curls home a beauty. This is fully deserved. It's been a fantastic opening 33 minutes.
No more than they deserved, really. We've seen Hansen Aaron trying to pick McNeil out with his right foot, almost got him, but this one he cuts back inside on his left foot, just passes into the far corner of the net. Storer's grasping fresh air.
Scored 8 goals in their opening group game, and they have 2 already this morning.
Good lad! Well played,
Really good ball. Roberts should keep it in play. And he has 3 to aim for in the box. That's a penalty. Hansen Aaron with the challenge. And Wolves have a golden chance to get right back into this cup match.
A good switch of play from left full back, hitting it right out to the right winger. Cuts inside. I don't think Hansen Aaron can have any complaints of the referee. He's only about 5 yards away.
Eric Hanbury's barely had anything to do. Now he faces a penalty. McLeod misses, but on the rebound, thunders home. And Wolves are very much back in this game. 2-1.
Come on! Get there, Garner, win him!
Had to run that off very quickly. Roberts to that left foot, and he scored. And somehow Wolves are level. It is Tyler Roberts who won the penalty, who was smashed home.
Good ball to pick him out there on that far side, cuts inside. What do you think he's going to go wider? Cuts inside with his left foot, opens the goals up.
Come on!
More in the game in the second half. Murray's not able to get forward as much as he did in the first.
Stay with him, Mason!
The second ball in, it's a really good one, and Charlie McNeil smashes it home. And United might well have won it after all. A 5-goal thriller.
Well, that's what strikers do, they stay alive when the ball comes into the box. Deep cross in there. Cross there from Bennett. I thought there might have been a shout for a handball for that first one, though when it comes in the second time, it just holds up in the air. McNeil knows he's going to drop to his feet there. He's just got to make good contact, which he does. Hopefully he's got his side the winner.
Murray up against Roberts, just a nudge, and it was enough, and Garnacho can race forward. And he's cut across Roberts well. Brilliant play from Garnacho, he's still going. Now McNeil. Garnacho. It's a very brave block, and Storer. Oyedele gets there, and that is the killer goal. 4-2. And Manchester United are going to make it 2 wins from 2 in the under.